Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into Gmail. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone. First unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Step 2. Download the Gmail app if needed. If you don't already have Gmail app, open the App Store, search for Gmail and tap to download. If you already have it installed, move on to the next step. Step 3. Open the Gmail app. Tap the Gmail app icon to open it. Step 4. Tap sign in. When the app opens, tap sign in or add an email address. Step 4. Choose Google. From the list of the email providers, tap Google. Step 6. Enter your email address. Tap your Gmail email address, then tap next. Step 7. Enter your password. Now enter your Gmail password and tap on next. Step 8. Accept permissions. Gmail may ask for permission to access your account. Tap allow or I agree to continue. Step 9. Finish setup. Once setup is complete, your Gmail inbox will load automatically. Step 10. You are logged in. You are now logged into Gmail on your iPhone and can start sending and receiving emails, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.